I wish God could make Russians and Ukrainians unite. How does that sound, Senior Rasta? Yeah, that sounds great, Junior Rasta. Honorable President Putin, sir, I wish if you please to unite with Ukraine. Unite with Ukraine. You have foresight. Please unite. Unite with Ukraine. Unite with Ukraine. Unity is quite right. Quite right. Quite right. Unity is so right. So right. So right. Unity is quite right. Quite right. Quite right. Unity is so right. So right. So right. Unity is so right. So right. So right. Unity is quite right. Quite right. Quite right. Yeah, man. Yes, I, Junior Rasta man. Your message is worth of admiration and approval. It gives the world a feeling of tremendous happiness. There is nothing like your message. It is the message worth of the best master. You are the best master. Well done, Rasta. Keep it up, Rasta. Forward with the reggae solo music, Rasta. Reggae solo music is the world style, Rasta. Forward with the world style, Rasta. Just tell us, Rasta, really we have implicit faith in your abilities. Really you are a genius. Really you are an inspired musician. Really a strong conviction is reflected in your art of singing. Art of singing. Your art of singing does something to the world. Now the world is inclined to listen attentively again to what follows. Please just sing on, Rasta. You have insight. Insight. Please unite with Zelensky. Unite with Zelensky. Unite with Zelensky. You have insight. Insight. Please unite with Zelensky. Unite with Zelensky. Unite with Zelensky. Unity is quite right. Quite right. Quite right. Unity is so right. So right. So Yesaya Junior Rasta Man. Your message is to everyone's taste. Really, I have excellent taste in music. Really, we admire your creative thinking. Thank you for performing music with great eclat. Yeah, man. Yesaya Senior Rasta Man. My pleasure. It has been a great pleasure to disseminate God's message to you. I am glad to say God has many things yet to say to you. Most truly, I say to you.